Okay. 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 Good morning again.
Good morning.
Good morning again.
Okay.
Okay, the
This
second
is our second meal this morning.
Yeah. Okay.
We just did a okra
Rice with tofu.
with tofu.
Today,
Phenomenal.
Today we're gonna
What was the
do
word again?
Luar biasa.
Luar biasa.
Yeah, luar biasa. So today we're gonna do this.
Big ass beans.
Big ass beans.
Yes.
Long. Take a look at this. How long is that?
Yes.
Stand there, babe. Stand there. It's longer than the bean is longer than you.
Yes, yes, yes. Or here. Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky.
I'll do like this.
Okay. Okay.
All right then. So you're gonna cut this bean.
Okay.
Okay, but we're gonna do today. We're gonna use
Mussels.
mussels, and then we're gonna combine these three: bumbu merah, bumbu kuning, and sambal, and gluten-free chicken base. All right.
All right, so it's gonna be a little kick in here. All right, I need space.
Okay, cut it.
All right, how do you want me to cut it?
Huh? Okay, I'll show you. Here, let's see. This is...
Do you want me to do anything with these too?
Yeah, all of them.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna use all.
All right,
of
so
them.
hurry up.
Okay. In Indonesia, we don't cut it with this. Sometimes you just do like that. This long.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Oh, okay. I can do that.
Like that. So you don't need to. Yeah, or do like this. So
I
just
can
the
do that.
same. Ta-da.
Okay.
Do that, but
All
the
right.
same size. Yeah.
Okay.
You can do all of that there. Cheer. We're gonna make
it's an art.
kind of soup.
Oh, look, it's got the bean inside is red.
Yeah, this is not black eyed peas, no. This is
No.
Yeah, but in Indonesia,
That's interesting.
it look like black eyed peas. In
Yeah.
Indonesia, we dry this and then we fry. This is my snack for
Mmm.
munching. So
You're always munching on something.
yeah.
Mm. Oh! How funny. A bean that pops out at you. Alright, so definitely
Okay.
it's a different type of bean.
Yeah.
This one's a little bit more tan, I guess.
Which one?
This one. See?
Oh,
Different color.
Let me see. Oh, this is because this is young, so it's crunchy.
Yeah, but I don't think it's the same type of bean.
Okay. Mm. Even you eat raw.
Yeah, it's got like a little sweetness to it. Okay,
Okay.
are you ready yet?
Yeah. But the bean is going to be the last one. So
Okay.
again, I'm going to put some garlic here. Just how do we call that? In Indonesia, we call the geprek. We
Smash it.
just smash it,
Mash it.
mash it, 2 or 3 garlic.
All right, how do you say smash it in Indonesian?
Geprek.
Geprek.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so that's actually one of our name of our dish
Ayam
in
geprek.
Indonesian.
Ayam geprek.
In the restaurant. Oh. Oh my! Just the smell of the garlic
Yeah.
in the pan
And
with
then put your mussel now.
the coconut oil.
Put your mussel. Okay, just mussel and garlic here. Okay, and then you put your seasoning now. This is bumbu kuning. I'm gonna put like 1 spoon now. Then I'm gonna put bumbu merah, 1 spoon too. And then we're gonna always add when we want more. Okay. I'm not gonna put a sambal now because I have to make sure the thing. It's not that spicy.
already has a little chicken.
Or even just mussel. In Indonesia, you do like this, and then you barbecue the mussel. Okay, put this one. That's the type of the kind of pan, and this is the juicy one, the bigger one. Put it there, and then put water. one bowl of water. Okay. Put the water there.
I gotta try it.
Put more.
I can't watch.
You have to put more then. Do you want this simple or do you want to put more?
More.
More. Okay, so we're gonna put one more spoon of this cuisine, so it's become 2. And then one more spoon of bumbu merah.
And we'll put a little bit more
Sambal. Take a look at that. Let them boiling.
So it's starting to heat up really nicely here. Oh wow.
Ta-da. Kind of piece here, oceany. Try that. I don't think so you need sambal, but he wants sambal. So you have that kind of herbies with, I keep saying herbies because basically our seasoning is all herbs with that kind of oceany
Yeah. The kind of
fishy,
salty, fishy
taste.
Flavor of the mussels
I like it.
with the fresh crunchiness of
The veggies.
the fat ass bean.
Yeah, because
Oh my god! What was that?
the liquid of the here.
What'd you do? Spit on me?
Because this is very crunchy. Be careful when you eat. You have to eat the whole.
Yeah, apparently.
Take a look at it.
Apparently, you need a guard around your face.
And another thing about this kind of soup, we eat with rice in Indonesia. Imagine that.
Yeah.
Usually we pour on the top of the rice, or we mix with the rice, and then we eat it.
I can't stress enough how clean the flavors are of these seasonings. Because when you start with something clean, then it's got to end up being clean. If you start with artificial, you're going to end up with artificial. If you start with preservatives and fake, you're going to end up with that in your meals, and you're going to taste it and you're going to feel it. And as simple as the dishes are that we are making, because as you can see, they're very simple and they're very quick. We're just putting together, or Abe is in most cases, putting together very few things, and they're very quick to do. But
and mostly our video, there is no rehearsal. Whatever you see here, that's what you get. Okay?
Yeah.
No rehearsal.
We have not prepared anything backstage or practiced anything. We're just grabbing stuff either out of the kitchen.
If we can do it, you guys can do it.
Bought it at Panera, or we have seen what we can get out of the garden, out of our tiny garden, if you will, and just started putting it together. But we want to show you just with so little effort how you can make something very, very flavorful and be able to enjoy your meal.
And it's quick.
Not to just eat on the run, eat because you have to eat just to exist. You can also eat because you can enjoy it. It's
See,
just
you don't
really
want to put
good.
sambal.
Huh?
You don't
It's
want to
just
put
really
sambal?
good. No, I'm okay. It just went down the wrong way.
See, you don't need sambal because this has a kick already.
Yeah, the bumbu mera. Even though on the bottle, bumbu mera, we suggest red meats and lamb. You
But
notice
you can
there's no
explore.
red meat and lamb in here. We're using our big ass bean and mussels. So we want people to explore.
Let's try everything. Even you put anchovies, you put dry fish.
If you have time to make some rice
Yeah.
with this, I love rice with any kind of liquid. I would just be pouring this liquid or dumping any rice that I've got. Remember our Guy Fieri show, July 10th, Food Network.
2020. This year.
Yeah, in a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
I believe it's 9 p.m. Central. Please watch.
Okay. Okay.
All right, guys. Have a great day, and
Okay.
thanks for watching.
Yes, thank you for
And we
watching.
will see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Oh wait, we don't have word today. What is your word? This okay. The soup is luar biasa.
Luar biasa, and we'll
Luar
spell
biasa.
that.
Enak sekali, luar biasa. Tetap semangat.
Tepat,
Enak sekali,
enak sekali,
luar biasa.
luar biasa.
Tetap semangat.
Tetap semangat.
Okay. Yeah.